Buenas tardes. Este video es para recuperación de inglés. Video. Vocabulario básico de inglés. Realizado por Mayely Salas, o sea yo, octubre 19 del 2018. Dijuna, body part. Age, here, ear, mouth, eye, nose, shoulder, ear, hand, kidney, leg, foot, feet. My family. My father, my mother, my sister, my brother, my husband, my son, my daughter, my father-in-law, my nephew, my niece, my grandmother, my grandfather, my uncle. Part of the house: living room, bedroom, bathroom, style, living room, study, runner, shower, kitchen. Numbers. Phone numbers: 80 Street, Recuperacion Avenue. Telephone 225 10 22. Send in inglés. Sample presente. Rubella, workers, infection, decimal. Ismael uses a computer to do his argument university. Continuous present. He hits player with his mobile. The key is trinity with his bag. Never let your heart think the place of your dreams. Gracias. Se despide Mayely Salas.